Hi makers, welcome to another exciting tutorial by Hub360 Circuit Limited, your number one destination for electronics, embedded system and innovation. As part of our Embedded Sphere campaign, today we are building a biometric access control using a fingerprint sensor, I2C screen, a passive buzzer, and of course an Arduino board. This project is great for smart locks, secure boxes, or even a basic access system. Before we jump in, here are the components you will need, all of which are available from Hub360 Circuit Limited. Arduino Uno, optical fingerprint sensor, I2C LCD display, passive buzzer, jumper wires, and a breadboard. So let's go now to the wiring. Okay, for our optical fingerprint sensor, we have the TX, the RX, the VCC, and the ground. So the TX pin will be connected to pin 2, and the RX pin to pin 3 of our Arduino, the VCC to 5 volts, and the GND to GND of the Arduino. Now for our LCD, we have SDA. We connect our SDA with a female to male jumper wire. So the SDA is connected to A4 of the Arduino. SCL is connected to A5. So now for our passive buzzer, we have the negative pin, that's my ground. We also have the positive pin and the signal. So the negative pin is going to ground on the breadboard. The positive VCC, which is the middle, is going to 5 volts, and the signal is going to pin 9 on the Arduino. So that is all with our connections. Before uploading any code, open your Arduino IDE and install two libraries: Adafruit Fingerprint Sensor Library, Liquid Crystal I2C. Go to Sketch, include the library, manage libraries, search and install both libraries. Step 3. Enroll fingerprint first. Before uploading our project code, you need to register at least one fingerprint with the sensor. Here is how. Go to File, Examples, Adafruit Sensor Library, Enroll, upload it to your Arduino. Open serial monitor and follow the instruction to enroll at least one fingerprint, e.g. like admin with ID 1 or 3. We won't explain the enroll code, just follow the serial monitor prompts. Once enrollment is done, come back here to continue. Step 4, upload our main project code. Now that your fingerprint is enrolled, you can upload our main project code. Let's walk through the code so you understand exactly what each part does. Code explanation. We start by including all the required libraries, the Adafruit fingerprint, wire.h, liquid crystal underscore I2C. We then define our serial connection to the fingerprint. Thus, we have our software my serial and the Adafruit objects. Then also we called the Adafruit, which is an ampersand my serial. Then we initialize the LCD and the passive buzzer. So we initialize the LCD here and look at the passive buzzer to be 9. Well, we also have a buzzer frequency and buzzer duration. Then in the setup function, we initialize everything. We have our lcd.init, lcd.backlight, lcd set cursor, print welcome user, serial.begin, fingerprint.begin. We check if their template stored. Look at here, we check if their template stored. So if template is stored, then we print um, then we print. If it is not stored, we say enroll, please enroll. Then we move to the loop and call our detection function. Then now look, this is our detection function. This is it, get fingerprint IDEX. So what does this function do? Inside this get fingerprint IDEX, we read the fingerprint image, convert it, and search for a match. So if a match is found, which is if a match is found, we have if a match is found, it will display access granted, or if not, it will display access denied. So this is where we have it. So if there is no match, the display access denied. But if a match is found, it shows us with the access granted. So that's it, and that's the core logic of our code. Let's test the system live. Try with a registered fingerprint. Place your enrolled finger. LCD will say access granted. Welcome, admin. Try with an unknown finger. LCD displays access denied. Buzzer sounds briefly. All the components used in this build are available at Hub360 Circuits Limited. Visit Hub360 or visit our store to get everything you need for this project and more. So now we go to the packaging. All the components used in this build are available at Hub360 Circuits Limited. Visit www.hub360.com.ng or visit our store to get everything you need for this project and more. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, especially if you want to see this system extended with Wi-Fi, IoT, or a keypad. This is a part of our Embedded Sphere campaign, empowering you to build real-world solutions from scratch. Thanks for watching. From all of us at Hub360 Circuits Limited, empowering innovation one circuit at a time.